Today we're going to make my absolute favorite meal, this classic roast chicken and potatoes. This was always the Sunday family dinner for me growing up, and I'll show you just how quick and easy it actually is to make. We're going to do it all in one pan, and it only takes about an hour, so let's go ahead and get started here. With about a tablespoon of butter. I like to use my largest cast iron pan, but any large pan will work just fine. And yes, you could use a different oil if you want, but come on, we all know butter makes it better. Once that's all nice and melty for us, we're going to fly in here with some chicken seasoned with salt and pepper. We can use whatever cuts of chicken we would like here. And to that, we're going to go ahead and add our potatoes. Just make sure you square them off on the ends like this. It might seem a little weird to be searing your potatoes, but trust me, this just makes the best roast potatoes you'll ever have. We're going to want to continue cooking this on medium-high for about 5 minutes or so until we get a really nice sear on our chicken and potatoes. It's no paltry matter how much flavor this adds. Once we're happy, we're going to go ahead and flip those potatoes too and just keep searing everything for about another 3 minutes or so. One of the things I really like about this particular technique is it scales up and down really easily. You can put as much or as little in here as you would like, and it works with all kinds of different cuts of meat. Chicken, pork, beef, just throw it in here and get roasting. Anyway, here we are after about another 3 minutes, and you can see we have some beautiful color on the other side of those potatoes. That is flavor. Now here's the fun part. We get to pretend we're a blacksmith with about 1 cup of chicken stock. We could stick this into the oven dry without the stock, but trust me, try the stock trick. It really adds an amazing depth of flavor. Next, we simply want to cook this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. We can even do this with a whole chicken, but in that case, we want to increase the cooking time by at least 30 minutes and probably use a meat thermometer. Now all that's left to do is pull this beautiful stuff out of here and make a pan gravy. Now, I guess you don't have to make a pan gravy if you just hate happiness. Oh, and look how pretty that chicken turned out. Oh yeah. We'll just set that aside, and then we're going to go in here with some chicken stock. You might have noticed I started with 2 cups of stock. Well, that's because I was going to use the second cup for the gravy. And again, this is easily scalable. Just add as many cups of stock as you want gravy. Now, it's vital for maximum flavorification that we go around and we scrape all those little brown bits off the bottom of our pan. It's worth taking a minute to do that right. Once that's all dissolved, we're going to go in here with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch per cup of stock, dissolved in about a 1/4 cup of water. And we just want to gently stir this around until it comes up to a simmer for us. Once it does, that's it. It's going to be beautifully thick and ready to serve. For me, the absolute classic is to pair this with corn and beans and a little stovetop stuffing, but it goes great however you'd like to serve it. I really hope you've enjoyed today's episode of Passion for Food. If you have, give me a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you don't miss our future recipes. And check out one of our other great videos on the screen now. This has been Graham with A Passion for Food.